Hello everyone, I'm Lina. Hello. 那今天呢，我们要来看的这本读本叫做A Cat, a Rat, and My Dad. A cat, a rat, and my dad. Oh, so what is this on Lina's head? 小朋友看看头上，Lina 头上的这个是什么呢？Oh, that's right. It's a rat. It's a rat. It's a rat. Squeak, squeak. 哇，是关于小老鼠的故事哦。那等一下呢，我们要一起来看我们的绘本，是关于 a cat, 喵 a rat, squeak, squeak, and my dad. 还有关于我的爸爸的故事哦。Are you ready? 那我们就一起开始吧。Here we go. 那首先我们看到第一页，就会发现我们的 A to Z， 从字母 A 到字母 Z。那我们也可以一起来念念看咯。Let's read together. So we can start from here. So it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? 哇，小朋友是不是都会唱呢？这是关于我们的 letter names， 就是他们的名字啦，他们叫 ABC。那他们每一个名字都有它自己的声音哦，比如说像小猫，它的名字叫猫咪，但是呢，小猫的叫声是喵喵，所以我们的字母啊，它这个长的是 A， 它叫做 A， 但是它有不一样的声音哦。那我们就一起来唱唱看咯。A B K D F G H I J K L M A P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know the sounds of the ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? 哇，这就是他们的声音咯。那等一下我们就会用到我们的来认识很多的字哦。哦，那小朋友可以看到我们的读本下面有4个小小的字。那这4个字分别是什么呢？那我们可以一起看咯。So start from here. A says B says b. So let's combine them together. 合在一起就变成 ab, ab. 哇，小朋友可以一起念吗？ ab. Okay, and then number 2, it goes A says a. 哇，小朋友都很厉害哦。And then D says d. So if we combine them together, add, add. 哇 very nice. 一起念吧 add. Wow, and the next one here, that is an A. Ding dong, ding dong. What does A say? A says right? So here, that is N, the letter N. 这个是字母 N. So it goes N says So N. 哇，那小朋友可以跟我一起念吗？N. Wow, and then the last one, 最后一个咯。So this is letter A. So what does A say? Ding dong, ding dong. A says a. And this is the letter T. So T says t. So let's combine them together. Ding, 合在一起就变成 at. Can you say that with me? Ready, go. At. Wow, well done。那等一下我们就可以用它们变出很多很多的字哦。那我们就一起看到下一页吧。哇，到了下一页之后呢，我们就可以看到10个字咯。10 words， 总共有10个字在这边。那我们就一起来看看吧。So start from the first one， 从第一个开始吧。So the first one, oh, right here. So there are 3 letters， 有看到3个字吗？那刚刚我们有练习 add, add。那我们前面要再加一个字母一起哦。So becomes bad, bad. Oh, this man is bad. Can you read it with me? Bad. Yeah, that's right. 然后旁边呢，可以看到一个小男生，他拿着一个 bat. So it goes at, and then ding dong. So it becomes at, bat. Yeah, that's right. 这个就是 at, bat. Can you say that with me? Bat. Ding dong. And then next one, number 3. What is that? Oh, it's a cat.那我们也可以像刚刚那样做起来 at. Then here, at cat. Can you say that? Cat. Ding dong. Alright, and then the cat. 小老鼠被追耶，被猫咪追，所以猫咪在追，我们就可以叫做 chase。有没有发現這個 A 不是說 L， 它說的是 A。 Chase. Can you say that? Chase. Ding dong. Okay, and the next one 就是我們常常會在家裡叫的 Daddy。 The add. So combine together. The add dad 就是爸爸的意思咯。Dad. Well done. Okay, and then here. Oh, this man is fat. Fat. 看起来胖胖的就叫做 fat. Oh. And then here it goes like this. At. So put at the front. So at fat. Oh, this man is fat. 胖胖的哦。Okay, next one. Here, this little bug fell in. 扑通啊，掉进去了。Fell in. So can you say fell in? Ding dong. 哇，这个小虫掉到罐子里面了耶，实在太可怕了。Okay, the next one 是我们等一下要去的地方，叫做实验室。So it goes, cover this up， 把它遮起来。ab。 那我们再加上前面的 L， 就变成 the lab。 哇 well done， 是实验室的英文哦。那接下来呢，这只小猫咪it is mad like this. Add